channel, Budget for Success. Woo! And today we got good vibes only, good vibes only. Come on, baby, come on. We got good vibes only. We only have good vibes. Yes. Woo! All right, today we are going to sink some funds into my self-care binder. Hey, let's get started. Shoo-boom! All right, let's see. We're going to put good vibes over there. And we are going to sink into my self-care binder. Here are all my categories here. And what we're going to do, we got some ones with 25 ones, but we're going to make it spicy because we got all this other money, right? So we're just going to mix it up. So it's spicy. All right, so we're going to take $3 every time we spin, and we're going to roll 3 bills, not $3. We are going to roll our 12-sided dice because we have 12 categories. This is from Brandy Janae, Sinking Fund Randomizer. And so we shall use this to tell us what categories. So number 4 is jewelry. I never buy a lot of jewelry, but we're going to put 3. We're doing 3 bills. It'll be $3. It'll be spicy. It'll be something. Then we have our phone. So we're taking 1, 2, 3 bills. Uh-oh, they were all dollars. The phone needs more than that. Hey, jewelry is coming up on the scene here. So $6 in the jewelry. Number 12 is my choice. And I think I see that $10 bill popping up. I'm going to put it into phone. 1, 2, 3. There we go. A spicy, spicy. Let's do it that way so you can see. Number 5 is mastermind. And so that's 1, 2, 3. Number 7, it's getting some spicy. Outings, yes, outings. Yes, this is where I had to take money out because yes, I had some outings and it was fun. I had a lot of fun. Outings again. Woo! One of my outings you guys probably saw, I posted. It was with my girl Priscilla from Budget A&A. 1, 2, 3. Mastermind got $30. All right, number 4, jewelry. $2, $7, $8. Wow. And number 12 is my choice. I think I want to do shoes. 1, 2, 3. I think we got rid of all the spicy money. The phone again. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's some more spicy money. My choice. Woo! Number 12. My choice. So shoes. 1, 2, 3. Shoes. And then the last one I roll will be only $2. Number 1, art. Art got $1. So art supplies now has a total of $62. $62 in art supply. So we have finished this savings challenge. I need to get a new savings challenge. And we need to pull the money. So the next time I go to pull money, I will pull money there and out of clothing. But clothing didn't get anything. Etsy did not get anything. So skip over that. Jewelry. Let's see, what did jewelry get? Jewelry got $5, $7, $8, $9, $10, $11, $12, $13, $14. So each of these is worth $2. So we're going to color in 7 clamshells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'll be honest, guys, I had some money in jewelry because I had completed a savings challenge, and so the money was in the bank. I used it for my outing. Yes, I did. So jewelry is starting all over. So jewelry now has 5, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. But the point was I had the money in the bank and it was available and I could use it for outings instead of jewelry. That was my choice, my prerogative. I do what I want to do, my prerogative. So Mastermind got 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, $33. So Mastermind, let's do this part, $33. Oh wow, we are going to finish this. This was only worth $24. I need another savings challenge. I will find one. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So we can ring the bell. Woo! You can ring my bell. Ring my bell, my bell. You can ring my bell. So this is money already in the bank. So in total, the cash we have that now needs to go to the bank is more than $24. By the way, this is from the nightlife. So we got 20, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just say we save $45 because I want this money to go to the bank. Because once it goes to the bank, I can spend it. That's my rule. That's the rule I made up. Once it goes to the bank, I can spend it. I actually think I might have pulled money out of Mastermind too. Okay, wait, what am I doing? This is money in the bank. $250, $270, $295, $297 for Mastermind. If you've ever gone to any of those conferences, they're usually very expensive. So I need to have that money. But I will take this money to the bank. I should pull this too. Look at me. Since we're taking money to the bank, this money goes to the bank. This is $62. It was only supposed to be $60. I'm making up the rules as I go. So this is 62 going to the bank. And then clothing is another one. This was $60. I finished it. I think I did this one. I had some extra money and I just stuck it in here because I'm thinking I want to get some clothes. I need some pants. So there we go. There, clothing is done. All right, here we go. Online purchases did not get any money. Outings did. Outings needs money because I took money out of the bank, but I did not take cash out of here. So the cash is still here. So we got 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. So let's see, what can we color in on these ladybugs? So we can finish this ladybug. That was 4, so now we need 8. And we can do this ladybug 5 and 3. So that's 8 and 4 is 12. So now, okay, so we have 50, 70, 90, 100, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. $112 in this outings envelope. And then for the phone, we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. Oh, so if I could color, I could use a sticker if I have 20. So it's my prerogative. I'm going to take it from shoes because that's the only other category that got money was shoes. It's coming out of shoes. So my prerogative. So 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we get to use a $20 sticker. This is Plan with Lila Blue. So we taking $20 and putting it right here. So we got some money in the bank now. We got $5, $600, $20, $35, $37, $637. But then let's see how much cash we have. 10, 11, 12, have 13. So 132, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. $140. I don't know what this says we have, but whatever. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40. It is perfectly matched. Now, unfortunately, all the other amounts for this are large, $20 and above. In fact, there's even one for $100. So we got to bring big money when we're ready to use those stickers. Shoes got $5, $6, $7, $8, $9 in shoes. Uh-oh. We're going to ring the bell on, what is this? This is shoes. So let's change this. I wrote $74, but we're going to put $9 in this one heart. $9. This is for Hey K Budgets. All right, so let's count it up. We have $145 for shoes in the bank. But let's see how much we have here. So we got 5, 6, half 7, half 75, 77, 79, 80, 81, 82, $83. $83. $83 for I Heart Shoe. This is Hey K Budgets. So once I save it and I finish the challenge, I take it to the bank because that tells me I can now go to the store and buy some shoes. And I put prop money in here when it's time to get shoes. I did not get any money for skincare or miscellaneous, which is fine. That's all right. So look at this. Woo! We rang the bell. How much is going to the bank? All right, let's see how much money is going to the bank. 62 plus 60 plus 45 plus 83. $250. Yay! Going to the bank. That is amazing. That's it, guys. It was that easy. We are done with our fun. Thanks for stopping by. This is just a reminder to always try to put money into self-care. We work hard, we budget hard, we play hard, and we want to take care of ourselves and enjoy our life while we have it. So make sure, please, that you stuff money into self-care. And if you like this video and you want more videos, please like, comment, and subscribe to Budget for Success. Bye for now. Love you guys.